What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can incorporate 3D text inside of your animations with the brand new After Effects 2025 update. It's pretty easy and simple to do. So as you can see right there in my project, I got an animation already. And what I'm looking to do basically is simply putting the name of the continent in 3D. Like I want the 3D text to stand into the continent. So what I'm going to do is simply select the text tool right there. And I'm simply going to write whatever I want. So I'm going to write this. And now what I'm going to do is turn it into white. So now essentially what you'll have to do is simply turn it into 3D. Now, as you can see, it may disappear, but don't worry about it too much. To make it closer to your camera, just click on P and pull it towards you like that. Okay. Do it until it disappears, then just pull it out slightly like that. And then what you're gonna do is simply position it by simply rotating it like so. Now I'll just click on S and I'll scale it up like that. And now what I'm gonna do is simply go ahead and click on Classic 3D. I'm gonna click on Advanced 3D, and this is gonna allow me to extrude the text. So now what I'm gonna do is simply click on that, go on geometry options, and simply go and play with the extrusion depth setting right there. And as you can see, I just created a 3D text really quickly inside of After Effects. Now what I'm going to do is simply making a simple animation, a pop. Okay, like that. Now that's how it looks. As you can see, it's really simple and easy to do. The 3D text is actually doing the same motion of the 3D camera because now it's a 3D object. So this was a quick way to make a 3D text inside of After Effects. And if you want to recreate the map animation that I just took as an example in this video, you can watch this video right there. I'm breaking down all the steps to make this animation inside of After Effects. See you guys there. I'll see you guys there.